Here's a really quick tutorial on how to make the half double crochet bobble found in the Japanese Knitting Stitch Bible. The original instructions in the book call for a crochet hook, but today I'm just going to do the knitted version and I'm just going to use my knitting needles. The way we're going to do this is there's a series of steps here. So the first step is to knit this stitch, but don't drop it off the needle. And then we're going to do a backwards yarn over and knit into the same stitch. Do that 3 times. Backwards yarn over, knit into the same stitch. One more time, backwards yarn over, knit into that stitch. All right, there are 7 loops on this needle now. We're going to backwards yarn over and then pass 7 loops over the first stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to backwards yarn over, pass that stitch over. The next thing we need to do is grab the left leg of the stitch below the one we were just working in. And we're just going to grab that with our left hand needle. And we're going to knit that stitch. And then we're going to do another backwards yarn over and pass those 2 stitches over the first. And that just secures the bobble. So you've got 1 stitch left on the needle.